Hi everyone, this is Bernie, your Revit Blaster here at Printistein Incorporated, bringing you the TNT for Revit users. In this video, I want to talk about door tags. I want to show you the parametrics of the door tags. I want to show you how to add more information in a tag. Just for your general knowledge, you can do what you want with your tags. It's really a pretty cool feature. So I'm in Annotate. I'm in the Annotate tab here. I'm on a floor plan. And I'm going to tag both of these doors. I'm going to tag by category. You have a choice up here now of leader. I'm not going to select the leader. I'm just going to bring it down and select the door tag, the door itself. Put a tag there. And I want to describe this tag. This tag, it's a door tag just from Revit. If I go to the door, I can see that the mark is 101. That's what brought me that door tag number. This one is marked 100. Now mark is an instance parameter. It's not a type. And this tag is by mark, not by anything else. How do I know that? I'm going to edit the family. And here it is. This item is a label. And in that label, it's all parametric, and it's all by parameters. Sorry, this window came off. And there it is, mark. Now you can do type mark, and you could tag doors by type. In this instance, I don't have it that way, and I'm going to leave it that way for now. All right, so there's other things that you can do with this. I'm in the tag family right now. I'm editing it. What if I want to add something to it? Well, you can do something like this. And this is not a square box or a rectangle, so I'm going to delete that. And I'm going to delete that. And I'm going to go to create the line, go from one line to the other. I'm going to spread it out a little bit because sometimes the numbers can get large. Spread it out a little bit, but you can add items to your tag a couple different ways. You could bring it in new. You could go to create and get the label and figure out what kind of label you want to use. It's a tag label. It just says what it is. And you can place it down below it here. And then you could add what you want in there. Let's go to model. I'm going to add model. Could be a manufacturer's model, could be anything. Notice that it says model number. I'm going to select that again and go to edit. And that's the sample value. Whenever you put a parameter in, Revit gives you a sample value. I'm just going to put model. I'm going to delete that number. It's model number. We kind of understand that. But I'm also going to shrink this down to hopefully stay within that box. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this line and I'm going to copy it, this dimension, down to there. And I'll trim it to make the tag a little bit bigger. And there's model. Now let me load it in. I'm not going to save it yet. I want to see that it works okay. Override existing value. There it is. Now, what about model? This is a 3084. I'm going to go to edit the type. There's model. I'm going to type in there 2670. That's by feet. Typical nomenclature. Hit OK. There it shows up in that tag right away. This one is a 3070. So I'm going to go into the model for that door, and I'm going to type in 3070. Now notice there's a drop down for it. Once you put one in, Revit gives you the opportunity to just select instead of typing a new one. So that's kind of handy. So there they are. And that's what I meant by you can add anything you want in here. You could add a number for I lost my verbiage, sorry. For the hardware. You could add a number for the hardware. You could add a text symbol or text note for what type of door it is. Flush, F. Hollow metal, HM. You could do all kinds of things with that. Wood, WD. You could add all kinds of things in here for this tag so that when you tag, it will be there automatically. Annotate, tag by category. Boom, there it is. Now, if I go back into that family, I can now do a file save as and name that family with door number and model so that I know which tag am I using. You could name it with your company 3-letter name. I might, for Printastat, just hit P and a dash. P dash door tag. You know, PR dash door tag. You figure out how you like to sort them and how you know which tag am I using. And you'll know how quickly that will work. The other thing that I'll show you with the tag is this says door tag. There's only one there. So if I go into this, I do File, Save As, Family. I don't know where it's going to go, but that's okay. Door tag 2. Options, I do one backup usually. Hit Save, load into project and close. Okay. So this one, sorry. Whoops. Hit escape and get out of whatever I was in. That says door tag. And if I go to door tag 2, it's going to look the same, but it's the different door tag. That's how nice when you have different families in, you can swap back and forth from them and use them that way. I'll go to edit the family, do a file, save as, family, door tag. This is just for this example, 3. 1 for the backups, hit OK, load into project. All right, so now I know I have a choice. That one says door tag. This one says door tag. Door tag 2, door tag 3. What's the difference, Bernie? Well, sorry. Let's go to this one. It's door tag 3. Let's edit it and take out the model number. Put this up into the middle. I'm going to save it. It'll ask me if I want to override it. Now I'm going to ask it yes, and its parameters. There it is. There's door tag 3. Okay? So that's how you can switch back and forth. Say, hey, that's the wrong door tag. I want door tag 2 in here. Boom. I want to see that. Okay? Now that model is a nice little tag that you could add to your door family right here. So when you insert the door, you know what you're inserting. See, there's all kinds of ways you can work this, however you want to see it in your project or how your company likes to see it. So don't be afraid of door tags, go for it. Add all the stuff in there you want. I have a door tag made with all kinds of stuff. Hope this helps you with what you're doing. Have any questions or concerns? Please contact us at Printastat Incorporated, printastat.com. Have a great day.